Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix any internet issues on your Windows. So I'll be sharing two different methods, so you just need to simply try one by one as to what will work for you. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to click on the start button and then go click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find system. Click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here you'll find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows, and aside from that, this will also help you automatically fix the issue by the suggestions and recommendations it will give you. So try running the network and internet troubleshooter. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here, simply type ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, open CMD again. Click on Run as Administrator. In here, simply follow me for the commands. First command is netcs space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter. Next command, netcs space int space ip space reset log dot txt. Hit enter. Then type exit, hit enter. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And if that didn't help you, move to the next method. Right click at the start button and select device manager. Locate your network adapters. Make a right click on your connection, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close this. Close the remaining windows and you just need to restart your Windows again. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here, locate your connection, make a right click, select properties. Now here in the properties window, you'll find Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Now here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses, so click on that. We are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, one of the greatest DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate, type in here 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and close this Windows. And for the final method, click on the Start button, go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. You'll find Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset and you have to click on Reset now. Click on Yes. Make sure to remember your connection password, because after restarting your Windows, that will reset your network and you will have to enter again your connection password. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue of internet issues, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.